Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Cairn game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching, lagging, freezing or showing black screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, check if the game is opening or not, you can play it or not. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So you must check if there is any update available for your graphics cards. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand the display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list. After adding it, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to check if the game is opening or not. If the issue still occurs, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, again go to Steam, select your game under library section. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and here click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time. After verifying the game files, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run game from the installation folder. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Now simply right click on it and select run as administrator. Check if the game is opening or not. If not, you are suggested to run the game as admin. So for that, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If the issue still occurs, then again come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you are suggested to disable it. Once you disable it, now launch the game and check. Similarly, for GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadowplay, MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. Website opens, go below. From here you have to download the Visual C++ files and after it is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. After it completes, you will get a setup successful message. Close this. Now restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check. If not, next method is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced. Now click on change. After that, here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After selecting the drive, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576, and then click on set and then click on OK. After doing this, now launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search, click on check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search, now search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app. Now go to the game folder. Go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After doing this, now launch the game and see if it's opening or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Cairn game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your system. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and reinstall Cairn game once again, and then click on the play button to check whether it's opening or not, or launching or not. So these are few solutions that are suggested to apply when you come across crashing or not launching, not opening, black screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS or other issues on Cairn game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.